As we speak, we're getting reports of a shootout which has taken place in New Jersey. Very, very sketchy information coming in at this point in time. Reports of firing inside a shopping mall in New Jersey area. We're also getting unconfirmed reports that several people have been killed. No information as to who is engaged in the shootout, but coming as it does close on the heels of several shooting rampages in the US in the recent past. This is certainly a cause of concern. And New Jersey also has a sizable Indian population which stays there, and we are still awaiting information as to the details of the shootout. Well, in case you're just joining in, news coming in of a shootout which has taken place in New Jersey. Very, very sketchy information at this point in time that a gunman was killed by the police.
NBC, okay?
So we're getting information that there was one gunman who has been killed in the shootout. The police shot the gunman dead. Several people are said to have been injured in the incident, and we are also hearing that several people are feared dead. Well, another shootout reported, this time in New Jersey. The incident has taken place in a shopping mall. We are getting preliminary information that police have shot dead one gunman. Several people are believed to have been injured in the incident, and several people are feared dead. We are still awaiting details of that shootout, but comes close on the heels of several shooting rampages which took place in the recent past and really raising concerns about gun control in the US. Let me now go across to Gaurav Sawant, who joins us with more details. Gaurav, what do we know at this time?
Law enforcement officers are saying at least 3 people are dead. The gunman, he's also been shot dead in this New Jersey supermarket. That's the breaking news that's coming in. This shooting took place as this gunman, he killed several people. Police, of course, confirming only 3 dead, including the gunman. Very, very sketchy details. It's in a supermarket. It's in a New Jersey supermarket that the information says. Police exchanged fire with a gunman in a shopping center at Old Bridge in New Jersey. Unknown number of bystanders and shoppers were reportedly killed and injured before officers opened fire and fatally shot the shooter.
Right, Gaurav, in fact, preliminary information coming in, as you said, police in New Jersey
so are you just doing pictures on this
shot and killed a man suspected of being involved in a shootout inside a shopping plaza this morning that has left several people dead. Gaurav has some more information. Gaurav.
Now, authorities were called in according to reports at Pathmark, and this is on route number 9 in Old Bridge. This happened around 4. It's still not clear what sparked the shootout. The CCTV footage, we are told, is still being scanned. We still don't know if the gunman killed himself or he was shot dead by the authorities. Police say there was a firefight. There were helicopters that went up in the sky to film this, and heavily armed police on ground came out to the supermarket. Several window panes, as we can also see in these pictures. We've got a helicopter footage. We've also got ground footage that's on our television screen. 2 camera images that headlines today. Viewers are now watching. A heavily armed gunmen, policemen then surrounded
so they're giving
the entire area
the full thing, and then I'll just give a
and that's where SWAT
lay
team,
of the land, so
special weapons and tactics team, they have already set up a command post in the parking lot of the nearby restaurant. So a SWAT team is also deployed. As of now, police say the gunman is dead, but was he a lone gunman? That is still to be ascertained. Several people have been injured, 3 confirmed dead.
Right, Gaurav, as you said, in fact, some eyewitnesses have reported as saying that the suspect who was killed by the police, the gunman, was wearing some kind of body armor. So clearly it indicates that he had come prepared for some kind of an attack. We're of course waiting for details of this latest gun rampage which has taken place in northern New Jersey, tragically leaving several people dead. As Gaurav was telling us, police was called in after reports of shots were fired inside a Pathmark grocery store. And the employees of the store were reportedly stocking shelves. The store was just about to open when this incident took place. There was also some kind of confrontation which is being reported with the gunman who is believed to have been shot dead by the police. No word at this point in time, no confirmation as to how many people have been killed in this tragic incident.